color blue. Meron din tayong plain nito ha. 649 lang yung plain. 649 lang po yung plain. Maganda yung plain. Ito yung plain natin. Si Pop. Plain Pop. 649 pesos lang, ma'am. 649 Sara material. Okay? Pop yung code, 649. Pop white. Pop color white. Pop color pink. Pop color black, ma'am. Pop aqua. Ay, nakatanggal ng braso. Nakakaano po, nakakalit ng braso, tignan. Pop navy. Pop color green. Pop green. Pop navy. Pop aqua. Pop black. Pop color pink. And pop white. Yung suot ko po, ma'am, sail blue. Sail color blue. Abe ba? Mag-accessories din po. Sail blue, ma'am Ina Boom, yours. Ma'am Ina Boom, yours na po si sail blue. Ma'am Ina Boom, yours, sail blue. Thank you. Ma'am, yung naman ko na color red sa last live nyo dyan, hindi po ako nang-invoice. Si Ma'am Evelyn Bulay daw walang invoice, Jess. Paki-double check. Sige, Ma'am Evelyn, double check po natin. Double check natin. Sis, look po sa likod po ng manikin, long sleeve white floral. Likod? Ito po yun, ma'am. Order na. Wow.
So out.
Iba siya, hindi siya ano, ma'am, hindi siya white and black. Mga floral po na same ng suot ko. Same ng suot ko, ma'am. Pop Navy, Ma'am Corazon Flores. Ma'am Corazon Flores, yours, Pop Navy. Ma'am Corazon, paki-screenshot po, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maganda fabric, ma'am. Ma'am Marga Puerte, Pop Aqua Pink Black. Aqua Pink. Aqua Pink. Black. Tsaka sail blue. Okay, yours apat, Ma'am Marga. Ma'am Marga, yours. Sail blue, pop color pink, pop black, pop blue. So, special, how many pieces available? 5. 5. Okay.